Since the human first time sit down in front of the computer and playing video games, the meaning of video games has been made. For a long time, guns and swords are always the protagonist of game. Today, we are going to talk about swords. There are a large number of games use sword as a weapon or key element. It might be 2D game, 3D game, first person or third person game. But the problem is, the player really wield a sword by themselves. Usually they just use a keyboard or controller instead. This concept will provide a master that we can use a real-world sword to control characters in game. This concept is going to make a 3D game based on Unity engine, which uses a physical sword mode as a controller. By inputting different commands into the sword, like push the buttons or wave the sword, the player can move characters or attack the enemy. This sword can also do more. By adding a simple program, it can be used as a controller to play other games as well. Okay, let's back to our game. This game is an action-adventure game. In this game, player will act a lonely knight who travels through time to collect the treasure from agency empire. Player will face minions in every stage, and there is a boss in the end of each stage. To control characters moving in the game, player can simply use the buttons or moving stack on the handle of the sword when it's turned to the boss fight or other 1v1 fights. The player can tilt their sword to use the character sensor to control the moving. To fight with enemies, player just need to wave their sword, and the sensing element on the sword will detect the potency dimension and the waving direction of the sword and return different response in the game, such as attack, dodge, or use item. Player can also combine the buttons and wave action to release some powerful skill. Or, player can choose to input their own skills. Actually, some VR games can provide similar experience too, but not every game player can afford a VR equipment. This concept will provide a cheap and easy way to meet their need. This is all content in this video. Thanks for watching.